Hi, I'm Pablo from Glauco. Here's my partner Juan, and we're excited to give you a few updates on our ad in PassiveLink. Recently we went to Leeds and we attended the UK Passive House conference. It was really exciting to see everything that was going on there. We also ran a workshop with the Passive House Institute, and we had the opportunity to share our tool PassiveLink with a lot of Passive House designers. Also, we had some time to talk to some of the PassiveLink users who have been using the add-in for some time, and here's what they have to say.
Anything that saves time, that allows you to optimize your design early on, is going to save you money in the long term and come up with the right solution.
I use Revit quite often, and sometimes I get to use PHP, but at the moment they're two very separate processes. So it was very interesting to hear how you're going to bring them together.
Lo mejor de todo es tener, no sé, una geometría dinámica o paramétrica.
It's just like nice to look at and friendly to use, and also actually the fact that you can talk between the two.
The clear instructions are fantastic. Quite often you really need that with software programs, but also the way that you could really powerfully, quickly, almost parametrically model stuff by changing it and seeing the impact immediately with PHP. And that's a really powerful tool.
PassiveLink.
PassiveLink.
PassiveLink!